Today, we're diving deep into the recent developments around SoFi, including the latest analyst ratings, key data points, and insights from Powell.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell, so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert: this is not a financial advice video. Despite a tumultuous day in the market, SoFi managed to close with a 1.62% gain. The stock initially dropped to $7.26 but made a strong recovery. Throughout the trading day, 65 million shares were exchanged, significantly higher than the average of 38 million. This high volume included numerous transactions over $100,000, indicating substantial institutional interest. However, not all of these were purchases. Some were likely algorithmic trades responding to broader market optimism. Early in the trading day, there was a significant amount of selling, with 2.58 million shares being offloaded. This suggests a strong correlation between large trades over $100,000 in the secondary market and short selling. Speaking of short selling, short interest in SoFi increased by 1.82 million shares, bringing the total to 17.45% of the free float, or approximately 181.21 million shares. The average cost to borrow these shares is 0.83%, with a utilization rate of 59.4%. Early in the trading day, short positions surged by about 7 million shares, adding to the selling pressure. Analyst ratings have also played a role in SoFi's recent performance. Negative ratings tend to grab headlines and influence market sentiment more than positive ones. For instance, Compass Point's Giuliano, with a 63% success rating, issued a $4 price target for SoFi. Morgan Stanley's Jeffrey, with a 53% success rating, set a $6 target. Other ratings included a $9 target and several others around $4 to $6. Despite these bearish ratings, the consensus estimate for SoFi remains around $8, representing a potential 6.1% upside. Among the more optimistic analysts is Kyle from Needham, who has a $10 price target for SoFi, citing its potential for significant growth. His analysis is based on detailed research into SoFi's fundamentals, and he has a 52% success rate with his predictions. Despite this, the market has largely focused on the negative ratings. It's worth noting the upcoming changes in SEC transparency rules, expected to take effect in Q4. These new regulations will provide more clarity on short positions, which are currently disclosed voluntarily and can be somewhat opaque. In terms of news from SoFi itself, there hasn't been much since their earnings report. However, Powell's recent comments have had a notable impact on the market. He hinted at a possible rate cut in September, with an 89.6% likelihood of a 25 basis point reduction. However, the chances of a 50 basis point cut have decreased from 15% to 10%. Powell's remarks have contributed to some of the market's recent volatility, as investors react to his insights on interest rates and labor market data. Looking at options trading, there was significant activity with 12 million in calls and 2.19 million in puts. Bullish sentiment accounted for 45% of all options traded. There was particularly high interest in call options at the $8 and $8.50 strike prices. Open interest data shows significant positions at the $7, $7.50, and $8 strike prices, suggesting that if SoFi can break above $8 by the end of the week, it could trigger a substantial market reaction. Historically, there's been a strong correlation between strike prices and market manipulation, so watch for increased short activity around the $7.50 and $8 levels. After-hours trading saw SoFi hovering around $7.55, so keep an eye on whether it can hold above $7.50 in the coming days. The next major resistance level is $7.97, which will require strong market momentum to surpass, especially given the high open interest at the $8 strike price. For those interested in options trading, high volatility stocks like SoFi present numerous opportunities. Currently, SoFi's stochastic oscillator is around 59, indicating a neutral position, neither overbought nor oversold. Momentum indicators show that retail investors have been exiting their positions over the past few days, contributing to the stock's volatility. In summary, it's been an interesting day for SoFi, marked by significant market movements and analyst activity. As we move forward, expect continued volatility, especially with upcoming earnings reports and potential market manipulation. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.